Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to insert battery and memory card in SONY A6400. Let's begin. So, as you can see, I have my SONY camera right here, and I have my memory card and also the battery right next to it. In order to first input our battery, we want to take our camera and rotate it like that. And as you can see, well, I will do this so you can read better. We have an SD card, and here we have also a little info lithium icon right here, and it stands for battery. So as you can see, this way it's locked, and if we move this switch to the right, it will be open, just like that. Now we want to take our battery. So as you can see, it has like this little green SONY logo into it with, I think it's probably like, as you can see, it's pretty interesting to look at it. But we want to take it, as the arrow suggests, this way. So I can try to input it. And if you can fully put it like all the way back, it's done. The battery is up. If you want to get rid of that, we can always take this, I don't know, blue switch and move it to the left, and now we can remove the battery, but I will do it once again. And right next to the battery slot we have SD card slot. As you can see, I'm using the adapter, the SD adapter for microSD. This is the microSD, but you could also have just a simple SD card. It doesn't really matter. All you want to do is just simply input it. If you will input it wrong, like the wrong way, you will know, because you won't be able to fully like put it in. So now we want to flip it over, click like push and until we hear a very click. Now you can close it and lock it, and this way our battery and also memory cards are done and are inside our battery. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.